Did you know that a delicious smoothie bowl can be your secret weapon against illness? Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, these bowls are not only easy to make, but also a fun way to support your immune system. Try this today. Blend 1 ripe banana, a generous handful of fresh spinach, and a cup of unsweetened almond milk to create a vibrant green base that's both creamy and refreshing. Pour it into a bowl and top with your favorite superfoods like chia seeds, sliced strawberries, and a sprinkle of crunchy granola. This simple combination delivers a powerhouse of nutrients like vitamin C, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, all working together to enhance your body's defenses. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast that keeps you energized and satisfied for hours, all while boosting your health. Not only does this smoothie bowl taste amazing, but it visually entices with its bright colors and varied textures, making it a feast for the eyes as well. Would you try this? Or maybe you already have a favorite healthy food hack that you love. Share your thoughts, and let's inspire each other to make better, healthier choices every day.